you're not always going to get what you wish for. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Truth is, 9 out of 10 you're never going to get what you wish for, but you're always going to get what you work for. Wishing for things to happen is like dropping a penny in the middle of the sea and expecting to find it. You can't just wish your way through life. You can't sit back and wish things were different, or wish you had attained that job, or wish you had a partner, or wish you did things differently. You can't live your life wishful thinking, because that leads to nothing. You know, wishing doesn't make any sense until you actually start doing. You have to put the action in place. You can wish for a better life and use it as motivation to get you to where you want to be, to get you to the best version of you, to get you that life that you've always envisioned, or to get you out of that situation. For example, if you're in a relationship and it's not great and your partner isn't great, your partner isn't treating you well, you can't stay in that relationship wishing things were better, or I wish you'd treat me better, or I would wish, you know, every now and then you would do this for me, you do that. You will forever keep wishing at that point. You forever wish, and things won't happen. Nothing changes until you put action into place. Instead of wishing, why don't you start doing? Instead of wishing that you were in a better relationship, why don't you just leave and find somebody else who will treat you better? There's no point of wishing situations were better. You have to make sure that you step out and make them better. It's important to remember that not every single life journey is meant to be smooth. We can all wish, you know, our way into success, or wish our way into having a better life, but that's not how life works. Everything has to be worked for. You have to work to get the best version of yourself. You have to do whatever you need to do to get you to the side that you desire, to get you to leave that terrible relationship, to get you to leave that bad job, to get you to leave those friends that don't treat you well, whatever it may be. You can't wish someone was better. You can't wish to have attained more wealth. You have to actually work for those things. You have to be able to fight against all odds. You can't just say, I wish I didn't go there, or I wish I didn't do this. But you have to be able to build resilience. You can't live your life wishing for things. You know, you have to be a person that is willing to deal with everything against all odds, no matter what life throws at you. You know, be resilient. Decide, I'm going to make it. Decide, I'm going to make my business work. Decide, I'm going to pass my exams. Decide, I'm going to be the best version of myself regardless of what happens, and make it happen. Stop wishing, make it happen. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.